used to equalize funds being used and including these areas that we have mentioned in the Kiambu County.
This is to the members of parliament that are elected. Kindly, Wanjiko is watching you. The voter is watching you. You know this is good for the people of Kiambu. If you feel that you're going to fight it, you'll be wrong. You'll be doing injustice to the people of Kiambu. Carry it, push it on. We are going to back you up. We are leading. We have started. Follow us.
Ile formula ambayo inatumiwa kugawa mali na kugawa pesa za nchi iweze kuangaliwa na irekebishwe, kwa sababu wanazingatia sana ukubwa wa shamba kuliko idadi ya wananchi, na tungetaka kila mtu agawiwe pesa, one man one shilling. Ikienda hivyo ndivyo italeta usawa. Kwa ile formula inatumiwa saa hii haina usawa.
From Kiambu, we are indeed call ourselves Kiambu County Leaders Caucus, comprising of elected and non-elected business people and all kind of people who have interest of Kiambu at heart. I will not ask the members to introduce themselves, but together with us is Honorable Jude Jombo, whom we know very well was a member of Parliament for Kiambu. We have Honorable George Mara, Honorable Damaris Wambui Weganjo, Honorable Kimani Wanjiko, Honorable Joseph Kalisho, Honorable Shikiro, Honorable Dismas Kamau, Dick Kamau, and Honorable Joyce Gogi. As you can see, the one that gender rule is very well observed in this group. Chair, we are here to make a presentation specifically on the issues pertaining to Kiambu County. Somebody so we are here to discuss about a few issues pertaining to Kiambu County. And I'll start by telling you a bit about this county. As we talk, this county has a population of about 2.7 million people. The census, 2019 population census, gave it a population of 2.4. With the increase of immigration and birth rate, it is now estimated at 2.7. It is the second most populous county in this country after Nairobi. Unlike all the other counties, 60% of the population of this county lives in urban centers. Now that you can understand the magnitude of the requirements of essential services. As you talk about that county, it is a county that have had its own serious issues, despite the fact that this county is the 5th largest contributor to this country's GDP. And therefore, this committee or this group, this caucus, has sat and said they should get an opportunity to express a few things to you that needs consideration. For our consideration, we have 3 issues which we shall discuss. And the first one pertains to what we would call marginalization in quote of the county that is so close to Treasury and yet too far in terms of access of resources. This county with a population of 2.7 and having been an outgoing governor, we know very well that the share of revenue has hardly been enough for the population that we are talking about. And forget the fact that almost half of Nairobi population actually lives in Kiambu at night. And therefore, it was brought to our attention, Chair, that there was a proposal of several counties which are in our document, or proposal to make additional several counties, and it is there in our document. But we did not see at all the consideration of Kiambu County, notwithstanding the facts that I have talked about. And therefore, it was a great concern to us, particularly even if you look at per capita income. You know, there is this anomaly that is there about Kiambu, that Kiambu is rich. I can tell you the per capita income of Kiambu is high, but it's not owned by individuals in Kiambu. it is owned by large factories of, I wouldn't want to say who. And therefore, the proportion of absolute poverty in Kiambu is probably higher than some counties where you talk about absolute poverty. And therefore, out of that, Mr. Chair, one of our proposals is the consideration that in the proposal to create counties that Kiambu qualifies, and we are making a proposal that we have 3 additional or 3 counties out of the current Kiambu County. Thika County, comprising of Thika, Juja, and Gatondo North and Gatondo South sub-counties, are highly urbanized. Thika has a population of 290,000, Juja 300,000, Gatondo North 109. Total of that which we were proposing to call Thika County is 817,697, growing at 4% per annum. You can imagine they'll hit 1 million within the next 2 years. The second county we are proposing is Kiambu East County, comprising of existing Kiamba with a population of 236,400, Kiambu Township of a population of 145,903, Githunguri 165,232, Ruiru on itself as a constituency has a population of 371,000 people. That we are proposing to be the Kiambu East County with a total population of 918,646 as per the population census of 2019. The third one we are proposing is Kiambu West, a county comprising of existing Kikuyu with a population of 187, very soon about to hit 200. Kabete with a population of 199, again, very soon wanting to hit 200. Remuru with a population of 159,000. Rari with a population of 135. Total 681, 382. And as you are aware, everybody in Nairobi now is moving towards the area. So the population growth rate there is 4.5%. It will hit a million very soon. So that is our proposal, Chair, in terms of thinking about creating counties, because we saw that was clearly not considered when that proposal was being made. And with that, I would want to pass on to Jude Jomo to talk about the next issue, which is again very, very important. And again, it attaches on marginalization of the county as it is.